Seneta BONTHE nibezete amwe na gwitikiria bakathikira kwingatwa kwa ngabana Meru Kawira Mwangaza bare amwe na rietwa plenary. BUBU ni nyuma ya speaker wa Senator Mason Kingi gutumiria kwamukira mendekithia ja MCAs kwingata ngabana Kawira kiumia kithiru kiri mbunge ya Meru. Na ndi kiumia twetete Kawira agakinya mbere ya mbunge ukuthikirwa na bachoke baringe kura cha kumwonokia kana kwana.
Gikaro kia bunge ya Senate muthenya umndi kiambile na speaker wa bunge no Mason Kingi kiana gilatinia mukirete ntomwa kuma kibunge ya kaunti ya Meru ya gwituko kwa muswada wa kuebu obisini kwa governor wa kaunti ino Kawira Mwangaza.
I wish to report to the Senate that pursuant to Standing Order 48, I received the following message from the Speaker of the County Assembly of Meru regarding the passage by the County Assembly of a motion pursuant to Article 181 of the Constitution and Section 33 of the County Governments Act for the removal from office of Honorable Kawira Mwangaza, the Governor of Meru County.
Kingi akili gatikire muswada uju ni mwana maitia mugwanja male MCs baba kaunti ya Meru bele ditekudura madhithi tue ni Governor Mwangaza maitia malaba tumilete kumwebi obisini.
The purpose of this letter is to therefore inform you of the formation of the County Assembly of Meru standing orders for your further action. Attached herewith, please find a schedule containing the bundle of documents, records containing evidence adduced, notes and records of proceedings before the County Assembly for your reference and records.
Na nyuma ya kuthoma kwa ntumweno kibaro kia bungene ya Senate gikiambagiria kulingana na bola katibe kwatha maseneta babatele gwitikaneria mutarato la bakajukia kile kuthikiria gambalele kethirwa ali gwitokera kamiti kana gwitokera gikaro kia maseneta bonde na kumani na BUBU senators kire gikaro kia muthenya umndi thia inyanya batindite kwalilia mutarata roju senators bangwatanire ya Kenya Kwanza ile mona seneta Kajwang wangwatanire azimio bakende kidege ya bunge yonde senators bange bangwatanire azimio na babakenda ganjira ya KAMITI.
Whenever we sit, we have the same powers as the High Court. So, Mr. Speaker, I want to persuade this House, both sides of the divide, to consider giving these 11 distinguished senators an opportunity to go through the evidence.
That we all said that for us to do a neat job, we will need to go the committee way and not the plenary way. So, Mr. Speaker, I just want to support the mover, Senator Olekina, that I plead with you members, let us go the committee way.
The mover and the second of this motion has severally mentioned Meru County, that they know what is best for Meru County. If there is anyone who knows what is best for Meru County, is none other than Kavuri Morongi. I wish they had consulted me because they are advocating Meru issues in a very different manner.
I want to plead with our colleagues, even if you're pursuing a particular interest, don't be unfair on the House. Don't cast aspersions to the House and believe that for whatever reason, members will suddenly not reason that the only way you can concentrate is if you're reduced from being 67 to only 11 of you. I don't think that is fair to the House.
I believe we have moved, or rather we had 2 impeachments since inception of this particular House. And I think in the last 2 impeachment, we have gone committee way. So it's important also for the members who are new to really understand how the process of plenary goes.
This being a female governor, we want plenary because we want an opportunity to be able to have a feel as women senators, to be able to understand, is it leadership issues, is it other issues in this county?
Mwenogu nyuma gikalo kia mathaka thumba senators baba nibetikanite kuthikiria gambalele ya Governor Mwangaza gwitukira njira gikaro kia bunge yonde senators baingi bagitikanagirine takalele naona kethira baingi bangwatanile azimio balende kithiti KAMITI ya antu 11 au kabere magamba malo wale Governor wa kaunti ya Kiambu Ferdinand Waititu na Governor Sonko wa kaunti ya Nairobi madhikiru na njiro taino.
Now therefore, pursuant to Section 33(3)(b) of the County Governments Act and Standing Order 81(b), the Senate resolves to establish a special committee comprising the following senators: to investigate the proposed removal from office of the Governor of Meru County, and pursuant to Standing Order 82, to report to the Senate within 10 days of its appointment on whether or not it finds the particulars of the allegations against the Governor to have been substantiated. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Aye. Will as many of the contrary opinion say nay? Nay. The nays have it.
Kuma mji munene Nairobi, Mbeta Anthony, Rangi wa Kathenya.